Seniors take this before bed, or your muscles will keep disappearing. Sounds dramatic? It's not. After age 60, you're losing up to 3% of your muscle strength every single year, not because you're aging, but because of one simple thing you're probably not doing before bed. In this video, I'll reveal the 4 essential vitamins you must take at night to stop that muscle loss ranked from least to most important, backed by real clinical studies. If you're skipping these, you might be waking up weaker than the day before. But don't worry, we've got the fix. Before we jump in, tell us in the comments. Where are you watching from? We reply to everyone and love seeing our community around the world. And don't forget to hit the like button if you want more tips. Like this to keep your body strong, sharp, and independent. Vitamin D3 plays a critical role in maintaining muscle strength, especially as the body ages. It helps regulate calcium absorption, which is essential not just for bone health, but for the way muscles contract and function. Without enough calcium reaching the muscles, they can become weak, sluggish, and more prone to cramping or injury. Vitamin D3 ensures that calcium is absorbed from the food you eat and directed into the right places, including the muscles where it's needed to maintain function and stability. Many older adults unknowingly suffer from low levels of vitamin D3. This is particularly true for those who spend a lot of time indoors or live in areas with limited sunlight. Skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight as we age, and the kidneys may also become less able to convert it into its active form. Over time, this deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, poor balance, and even a higher risk of falls. One of the most dangerous outcomes for seniors. Some doctors recommend taking vitamin D3 at night because the body does much of its repair and regeneration during sleep. Muscle tissue, in particular, goes through a recovery phase at night. Providing the right nutrients during this window can help support that process. Studies have shown that vitamin D3 also has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, a known contributor to muscle loss in aging adults. By taking it before bed, you align its benefits with your body's natural healing rhythms. In addition, nighttime supplementation may support better sleep, especially when taken in combination with other nutrients like magnesium. While not a sedative, vitamin D3 appears to influence certain pathways in the brain that regulate mood and restfulness, which indirectly supports healthier sleep patterns. And better sleep means more effective muscle recovery. For adults over 60 who want to protect their mobility, reduce weakness, and stay active, taking vitamin D3 at night can be a powerful and simple step in the right direction. Magnesium supports muscle health by helping muscles relax properly after contraction, which is essential for preventing tightness, spasms, and nighttime cramps. These issues become more common with age, especially in people who are mildly deficient in magnesium, a condition that's more widespread than many realize. Some doctors point out that older adults often absorb less magnesium from food and lose more of it through the kidneys, increasing the risk of deficiency without clear warning signs. This mineral is also essential for protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. After muscles go through daily wear and tear, even from basic movement, they rely on adequate magnesium levels to recover. Without it, that rebuilding process can slow down, which contributes to muscle loss over time. For seniors, this can lead to declining strength, instability, and longer recovery after physical activity or minor injuries. Taking magnesium before bed is especially helpful because of its calming effect on the nervous system. It helps regulate neurotransmitters that quiet the brain and relax the body, supporting deeper, more restorative sleep. During this sleep cycle, the body performs much of its healing work, including muscle repair. According to some studies, magnesium supplementation has been linked to improved sleep quality in older adults, particularly those who experience restless legs or trouble falling asleep due to muscle discomfort. Some physicians recommend magnesium at night to align its benefits with the body's natural repair processes. A consistent nighttime dose may not only reduce nighttime cramps, but also improve energy and muscle function during the day. For anyone over 60 concerned about muscle loss or nighttime restlessness, magnesium offers a safe and effective way to support muscle maintenance and improve recovery while sleeping. Vitamin B12 is essential for keeping nerves healthy and ensuring red blood cells carry enough oxygen to muscles. As people age, the ability to absorb B12 from food often decreases due to reduced stomach acid or certain medications. When B12 levels drop, the nervous system can become compromised, affecting how well the brain communicates with muscles. This disruption may lead to muscle weakness, shakiness, or even coordination problems that are sometimes mistaken for normal aging. Red blood cells, which rely on B12 for proper formation, are responsible for delivering oxygen throughout the body. When oxygen delivery is reduced, muscles fatigue more easily, even after light activity. Some doctors warn that B12 deficiency can be mistaken for more serious neurological issues because of how deeply it affects strength, energy, and mobility. For older adults, restoring B12 to healthy levels has been shown to improve physical performance, especially when paired with other supportive nutrients. Taking B12 at night supports the body's natural repair processes that occur during sleep. While it's a water-soluble vitamin that doesn't directly induce sleep, it plays a key role in cellular metabolism. During rest, the body enters a state of restoration, and B12 assists with the repair and regeneration of cells, including muscle fibers. Studies have also linked B12 to improved cognitive clarity and energy regulation, which indirectly supports better physical functioning during the day. Some physicians recommend nighttime supplementation to help maintain steady levels, especially in those with chronic low intake or absorption issues. In many seniors, B12 deficiency goes unnoticed until symptoms become more severe, such as persistent fatigue or difficulty with balance. Taking B12 regularly in the evening hours can be a simple, proactive step to support stronger muscles, sharper nerves, and improved overall resilience with age. Vitamin C plays a vital role in maintaining muscle health by supporting the production of collagen, a structural protein that keeps muscles, tendons, and connective tissues strong and flexible. As the body ages, collagen naturally declines, which can weaken the framework that supports muscle fibers. Without enough collagen, muscles lose their elasticity and become more prone to injury or slow recovery. Vitamin C helps counter this by stimulating collagen formation, making it especially important for older adults experiencing gradual muscle loss. Beyond its role in structure, vitamin C is also one of the body's most important antioxidants. It helps neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that accumulate with age and contribute to oxidative stress. This type of stress damages muscle cells over time, slowing down repair and accelerating the natural decline in muscle mass. Some researchers note that chronic oxidative stress is a major driver behind sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle. Regular intake of vitamin C helps reduce that damage and may improve the body's ability to maintain muscle function. Taking vitamin C at night supports the body's internal repair processes, which are most active during sleep. When the body rests, it performs deep tissue recovery, including the healing of microscopic muscle tears that happen from daily movement. Having antioxidants like vitamin C available during this period can enhance recovery and protect muscle tissue from further breakdown. Some studies suggest that nighttime is when cells are most responsive to antioxidant activity, allowing nutrients like vitamin C to work more effectively. Doctors often recommend consistent vitamin C intake for seniors not just for immune support, but for its broader role in aging. Taking it at night helps synchronize its benefits with the body's natural rhythm, reinforcing strength, stability, and resilience where it matters most, within the muscles themselves.